Hello, just a few unscripted thoughts on the Supreme Court and the complete destruction of the Bill of Rights and the American way of life. Yeah, that's what I thought. Naively. The first alarmist things that came up, I thought, after I'd read the situation, I thought they have just destroyed the Constitution and the rule of law entirely and put us under dictatorship. However, after I looked at it more deeply, I discovered that maybe they've really put us into a dictatorship. I'm not sure yet. The point of this video is that we oftentimes think these people are just evil and they want to destroy America, and they completely have contempt for a liberal way of life, which that is America. If you understand what liberal means, that's what we are. But the thing is, every time a ruling like this comes down the pike, we think that, but it ignores the fact that shockingly frequently, they will make a ruling that actually agrees with us, goes our way, does not destroy the republic, and actually, leads to more freedom or liberty or a more liberal view. So, what we have to understand, I think, is that these people are not necessarily evil. They have a different view of things. Sometimes it is a corrosive view, but nonetheless, what I'm trying to say is I don't think that they looked at this ruling on birthright citizenship and they thought to themselves, well, we will just completely annihilate the Bill of Rights in this ruling. Even if that appears to be the practical effect of what they've done, there does appear to be additional avenues that we can undertake through class action lawsuits and things like that. So I don't have an answer as to what is supposed to happen from here. I will tell you that after I understood my own argument, which is Sonia Sotomayor's argument and Ketanji Jackson's argument, which they put forth very eloquently, that this thing is just going to destroy the Bill of Rights. After I understood that argument, which is my argument, I immediately dismissed that and started looking for the other alternative argument. What is the majority argument that makes this work within the bounds of the Constitution so that it doesn't destroy the Republic? Because, like I said, if they wanted to destroy the Republic, they've had that opportunity like a lot. And they've done a lot of damage to the Republic, starting with Citizens United and even before that. But like I said, a lot of times they'll come up with these decisions that are just like, wow, you had an opportunity to destroy the Republic and you didn't do it right there. I don't even understand. Well, that's because they have a different view. They're not necessarily evil. So am I saying that we are out of the woods on this thing, that we're not toast, that we're not cooked? I'm not saying that. Maybe we're completely toast. We've probably been toast since Citizens United, but maybe there's another view that makes this actually functional somehow. Anyway, everyone keeps declaring the Republic dead. I've been declaring the Republic dead for decades now. It still functions, here and there in a spotty way, quite frequently, sometimes. So I'm going to keep looking for that alternative view, and I'll talk about it here more if I find it. If you find it, let me know in the comments section. I seem to be getting trolled by conservatives. So, conservatives, in what possible way can the Bill of Rights be left intact after this Supreme Court ruling that says that you have to argue a positive version of your rights? Essentially, this ruling is you don't have rights anymore unless a court or the government says that you have rights. This completely turns the Constitution on its head. I can't believe that could be their intent. It could be their intent. I don't throw the word around lightly, but that to me would just be flat out treason. I don't, maybe, I don't know. Maybe explain it to me in a way that, like, how is this going to work? If any of you have any clues, in the comment section. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.